Makita 18V LXT Lithium Ion Compact Cordless Vacuum Kit. Up to 15 minutes of continuous use from a single fully charged 18V Compact Lithium Ion 2.0 all battery. Redesigned floor nozzle for improved maneuverability and debris collection. Strong suction power for fast and efficient cleaning. Bagless two-stage cloth filtration system allows for easier cleaning and quicker debris disposal. Increased storage capacity for longer time between waste disposal. Only use genuine Makita batteries and chargers. Weighs only 2.7 pounds. With battery for reduced operator fatigue.